Hey, what's up guys? So I've got this black fabric band from Samsung that I got as a freebie when I pre-ordered my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So let's go ahead and unbox this band and see how this looks with Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So here you can see that it is a fabric band, very soft, and it also comes with this new push button latching mechanism, which is new for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic bands. That's what we get on this original band with Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and we also have this on this fabric band as well. So it's a 20mm band, medium, large. So let's go ahead and put it on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and see how it looks. So that's how you adjust the length of this band. Now I'm not sure which side goes up and which side goes down, so let's give it a try. Now the more that I've been taking this band off and putting it back on, because I've been using the Spigen case, the easier it has become, and I have to say that this mechanism is much better as compared to the previous spring bar mechanism. So changing your bands is a breeze now. Now I'm guessing this one will go at the top. So there you go, this one's done. And this one's done as well. So now we have Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with this fabric band, and it looks actually really nice. Okay, let's put it on. So there you go, that is the band. It looks really nice, it's very soft, and you can easily change the length of this band and make it more comfortable on your wrist, and you can move it up and down easily as well. Really liking this one. It has this tab here that you can just grasp and take it off and put it back on. It has these 4 different latching things that you can just put anywhere, and it's actually pretty strong. It's not easily coming off when you put it on, so it does take a little bit of effort to take it off. So you can feel really safe when you're using this band and be ensured that it won't come off just like that. So yeah, this is the new black fabric band from Samsung. This is the original Samsung band. Looks really nice, and I think I'll be using it a lot more with my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.